If your dishwasher smells or leaves cloudy glasses, it likely needs a proper clean. In this video, we'll be doing a step-by-step guide on how to clean your dishwasher correctly. To clean a dishwasher properly, you'll need white vinegar, baking soda, dish soap and a sponge. Step 1. Remove the bottom rack and use a paper towel or a sponge to remove any scraps that are settled at the bottom. Step 2. Remove the filter, which is usually found under the bottom spray arm, and rinse it with hot water. Use the soap and a sponge to remove any greasy buildup found on the mesh or the arms. Next, place a dishwasher-safe bowl on the top rack with 2 cups of vinegar in it. Make sure the dishwasher is empty. You're going to run a hot cycle. The vinegar fights the grime while stripping away old detergent residue. Then we're going to sprinkle about 1 cup of bicarb soda on the bottom of the machine and run a short hot cycle. While that's going, we're going to give the front of the machine some love. Using a damp cloth, wipe any fingerprints or grime off the handle or the control panel. How do I keep my dishwasher clean for longer? The best way to do that is by scraping any leftover food off your plates and cutlery before loading, and after a cycle's been completed, leave the door slightly ajar to prevent mould buildup and smells. I hope these tips help you get your home looking its absolute best. If you'd like to see more expert cleaning advice, follow our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and save for later. Or jump onto Airtasker, post a task and have a tasker come out today.